G'day folks, just bringing you along. I'm going to prune my tomatoes out of my system, just to give them a bit of prune for the first prune down the bottom. Just thought I'd bring you along and show you what I do. So let's get to it folks. Okay, the ones we're looking at to prune off these tomatoes is the suckers. So what I'm looking for is this one here. So this one here coming off that branch just there, that one, the sucker. This one here is a sucker, so I'll take them off. Over on this one, as you can see here, there's a sucker, there's another sucker. They all are coming off. There's another one just there, as you can see that just there. They'll all be pruned off. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So this sucker, this one here, so I take it off. So that sucker, I come down to where you can see, I can get these leaves out there. Can't do that. Okay. Okay, this sucker just here is the one I'm going to take off. I want to get rid of him. So I cut him off. Now, if you want, you can actually replant these. So if you put them back into the stone, they'll actually regrow, but I've got no room for them at the moment, so they're just coming off. These bottom leaves I'm going to take off. Now the reason I'm taking these off is it's taking, these bottom leaves are taking all the nutrients away from the top of the plant. So if I clean the bottom off like that and get rid of these bottom ones, another one just there. So if I get rid of all these bottom leaves, it's gonna be less nutrient they're taking out of the plant. So see how I've cut all that off the bottom. That's how I prune my plants. So there's another one just here I'll take off as well. And leave that one there. So that's basically how I prune my tomatoes. I did leave this one here. I probably should have taken it off, but I'm going to leave it there. Just to sprout another shoot coming out this way. Same with this other one. All of this bottom, as you can see down there, all that bottom stuff I'm taking off. Same as that shoot just there. Get rid of him. Sorry guys, trying to do this with one hand. So basically, all that little stuff down there, I'm getting rid of. So that's taking all the nutrients coming into the plant away from the tomatoes that are growing and the rest of the plant. So that's another one done. The same as this inside one. Now this inside one, I'll take him off. All of these ones here can come off. Put the other out of the way so I can see what's left. Come off. So basically, I'm taking all of the bottom bits off of the plant, and any suckers that are coming out the sides I'm taking off as well, like that, just to give the top of the plant a bit more of a boost. So that's my tomato plants done. Now these front ones are the same. I'll take all these bottom leaves off. That one, so I'll get rid of all these, as well as them. They can all come off, that sucker can come off. And that's just getting rid of leaves that are not going to really do much anymore. And it's opening the plant up as well, so all this stuff here can come off. That there can come off. But basically I'm doing the same as what they'll do in a greenhouse. I'm taking all that bottom leaves off to let the top of the plant actually grow a lot better. So all these can come off. That can come off. Here's my arm. Get in there. That one can come off. And down there. Cleaning the bottom of that plant off, getting rid of any suckers, like that. So that's basically the tomatoes done. So I've cut off, as you can see, I've cut off a fair bit. So that's how I prune my tomatoes. So you'll find the week 5 update to this system. These tomatoes will actually growing up the top there and formed a lot more flowers on them. So that's how I prune my tomatoes. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope everyone's having a nice day. Don't forget, if you like what I'm doing or any comments, write the comments down in the comments section. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you know when I add my next video. That's basically it for this short video, guys, just showing you how I prune my tomatoes. Okay, hope you're all having a nice day, and I shall catch you all later on, guys. Cheers.